Good day, Sir Madam. My name is Shailene Kate Macabio Awing, Filipino, 25 years old. My religion is Roman Catholic. I'm married. I have one child. My husband works as a farmer. I have two brothers and one sister. I'm the second in the family. I'm a college graduate with a degree of Bachelor of Science in Agriculture, major in crop production. About my working experience, I work as a domestic helper in the Philippines. My duties and responsibilities are cleaning the house, washing and ironing clothes, marketing, gardening, and car washing. I also learn how to cook Filipino dishes like chicken curry, chicken adobo, and paksiw. I am willing to learn how to cook Chinese dishes and how to speak Mandarin language. I love taking care of baby by give them milk on time, take them a bath every day, change the diaper if necessary, give them vitamins and medicine that prescription by the doctor, and love them as my own child. Sir, Madam, I am honest, patient, trustworthy, responsible, and hardworking person. Sir, Madam, please choose me as your household worker, and I will promise to do my duties and responsibilities very well, and I will promise to finish my 2 years contract with you.